Welcome to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today I'll be doing my first mystery box challenge. Ingredients that were randomly picked up by some coworkers. So I have to make a dish out of these ingredients here. I haven't looked at them yet, so I'll do that soon. So I do have a few tools lined out, like a few pots and stuff. I have no idea what's in here. One of my favorite shows is MasterChef, and usually they give you a few like limited pantry with the mystery box. So I have 5 ingredients I'm going to use with it. For cooking, you need an acid component, a lemon, a few favorite seasonings, which is Italian seasoning, onion powder. I have 2 types of oil. Of course, you always need your salt and pepper. Got to season everything. I have some butter, and the last ingredient I'll be using is garlic. 1 or 2 vetoes, which is if there's an ingredient here that is too challenging that I can't use, because the rule is you can use some or all of the ingredients in the mystery box, and I get. But if it's a unique ingredient, I want to use that. The first box, I got Cheetos, which this is really cool, and then they're hot Cheetos, and you can do. I have planned for that, so I can do something with that for sure. All right, so I got noodles. Okay. Bread. Oh, this is interesting. I got Sours noodles, a Reese's Pieces. That's interesting. I guess I might be making a dessert. Chocolate cake mix. Oh, we got some meat. Oh, a grilling rib. That's a funny story. That's a funny rib. That's a funny story. So they're laughing about this rib, so I put it in my mystery box. So that's funny. So that's a beef rib. Sausage. I guess they haven't watched my channel enough, because I can definitely do something with that. A coconut. Oh my god! Oh my god! How do you get it out of that? But oh, it's a fresh coconut. Hoisin. Can be doing something Asian. Some potatoes and some onions and cream cheese. I might have a challenge getting. How do you get coconuts out without injuring myself? I'll try to do something with that. More challenging than I thought. I'm trying to plan. How the heck do I get this open? Your 60 minutes starts now. Give this a try. Coconut open. Now I'm just straining out the juices. Start with the cake first. Cake will take the longest. Get my mixer out. With the whisk attachment, dump the cake batter into the bowl. 1/3 cup of oil. 1 1/4 cup of water. 3 eggs. It's gonna chop my onion. Dice it up. Grease my cake pan. I'm dumping the cake batter into the pan. Putting my mild Italian sausage into a bowl. Onion powder and Italian seasoning. Toss my onions into the pan. Black pepper, salt. Saute the onions till they become translucent. Giving my mild Italian sausage a mix. Chop some bread into the mixture. Toss it in and mix her up. Just gonna crush up some Cheetos for the breading for the sausages. Gonna shape 4 sausage patties. Now I'm gonna bread the sausage patties. Turn some fire on. Oil into the pan. Sausages into the pan. And these are the lovely sausages. Flip sausages over. And I've added some water to this, just to get those patties all happy and cooked. We're gonna toss our beef rib into the oven. Icing sugar added to my limited pantry. 1.5 cups of icing sugar. About 1/2 cup of butter. 4 ounces of cream cheese softened into the mixer with the paddle attachment on. Touch of coconut water with some Reese's Pieces chopped up into the icing, and a few more pieces of coconut chopped up. I have a plan for that. Turn some fire on. Noodles. Don't need anything for the noodles, because I'll put some of those little packages. So we'll put one of those in with the noodles, so we don't have to salt the water. Start the noodles. Noodles only take 2 minutes. Check our cake. Oh, it's looking good. Poke it with toothpicks, see if it's clear. Not bad. It's looking good. Oh, 3 minutes to go. Package in. Oh no, running out of time. Chopping some garlic. Pulling the cake out of the oven. Getting ready to plate. Cutting the cake. Putting it on the plate. Putting the icing on the plate. A few sours onto the cake. Sprinkle of coconut onto the cake at the 2-minute mark. Strain our noodles back into the pan. Hoisin sauce. Stir. A bit of garlic. Like 2 minutes left. I gotta get it plated. Okay. Plating the noodles. Putting the beef rib on. Putting the sausages on. Putting the onions on. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hands up. So these are the 2 dishes. Looking good. Yummy. We'll have to definitely try them. Noodles with hoisin and garlic and Italian sausage with onions and the cake. Yummy. We'll have to give them a try. Actually, that's very Asian-y. The mild Italian goes good with the hoisin and the noodles. It works. And the beef rib, well, I could use a bit more seasoning. Other than that, pretty good. Oh, and there's a coconut component on the top as well. Oh my, the cake is actually quite good. I think the cake's better. Mystery Box Challenge. What did I cook? This is cake, some icing. It's actually quite tasty. Hoisin Italian sausage with the beef rib and a little bit of coconut and mushrooms. Onions on top, I don't know what else to call it. And usually MasterChef, they only do 1 dish, I do 2. And this one's really good. This one's the Italian sausages and the noodles actually work with the hoisin sauce. Not bad. The beef rib, well, this is the beef rib. Needs more seasoning.
Good job.
Not too bad, huh?
Yep, working outside. Oh, very tasty. Oh, a mystery box challenge, something that's edible. That's good.
Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya. And a mystery box challenge. Cool. First one. I'm sweating. I gotta rest now and ease. Bye.